Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Monday morning. I am headed back to Dallas. I got probably like a 9-hour drive left to go to Albuquerque. I'll be staying in Albuquerque tonight. So a lot of you already probably know where I was this weekend. And for you VIP guys, I have a lot of cool, awesome content that I'll be uploading in VIP from Gene Winfield's compound here out in Mojave Desert, California. So I went live yesterday just to tune in on some leading that Gene was teaching us, how to lay some tin on the bare metal. Then do some leading and all of that. He also covered a lot of welding information, metal shaping using the English roller, all that type of stuff. It was a metal workshop, and I was fortunate enough to get a lot of behind the scenes video. He didn't seem to mind. He didn't care. He says you can video and take pictures of anything except this special project I'm working on that was covered with a tarp. So that was cool. So over the weekend, I'm going to work on gathering all this information that I recorded, took pictures of, and we'll also put into written format and upload it to the members area, so you can kind of get a brain dump on pretty much what was covered over the weekend. This is more for the hardcore metal guy, but I think if you get one golden nugget out of it, you'd like it. A lot of cool information in there. So anyway, it's really bright out today, beautiful morning, and I just wanted to give you an update on what has been going on at LABAP. So I'm also going to be leaking some of the footage on YouTube, but the majority of it will be inside of VIP for the VIP guys. So look for that within the next week or so, and I hope you like it. Anyway, I hope all is well. Keep smiling, keep dreaming, keep striving, and keep learning. And just like Gene says, every day is a school day. He has his t-shirts. He didn't have that t-shirt that I wanted. He was selling some other t-shirts from his Mercury garage, because he's a big Mercury fan. 49 to 51 Mercuries, Mercs. That's what he customized and chopped tops on for most of his career. That's like his favorite car to do work on. Good morning. So I wasn't able to get the shirt that I wanted. Good morning, Kent. Good morning, Mad Max. It was him in front of an old a van that he converted to a truck or something. I don't know the exact car that was on the front of the shirt, but on his motto is basically, it says every day is a school day, and that's pretty at the event, just like I do, just like you do, right? We learn every single day. Every day is a learning day. Every day is a school day. I like that. So that's good. That's good. Anyway, guys, I'll show you a quick view of where I'm at here, Mojave Desert, driving back to Dallas, and this is what it looks like. I would show you my windshield, but it's so damn buggy. Look at it. You can't even see out. Here's the other end. So yeah, I got a long stretch of road ahead of me. Literally driving. This is like a 600-mile. I'm on 40 east. No, 40 west. I'm going west. No, what am I thinking? I'm going east. Look at this dude, out of gas. Oh my God. Out of gas on this stretch of road. Holy crap. So I'll be in touch soon, guys. Probably hit you up on Thursday night. We'll be going live as well. And like I said, you VIP guys, I got a lot of cool content coming up very soon. A lot of pictures. I got tons of pictures, tons of video footage. Probably more than anybody else in the class. As far as good shots, good video footage. So I think you guys are gonna like that a lot. All right, so have a great morning, have a great week. I will see you on Thursday night, 8 p.m. Central, 8:30, 9 o'clock, in that area, 8 to 9 p.m. Central. And I'll touch base with you guys soon. Thank you guys. Hit the like button before you leave, and I'll see you soon. Cheers, guys. Peace out. Have a good one. I got a long hours. My first stop is Albuquerque, New Mexico. So I'm actually staying in New Mexico for a night, charge, and then I head home tomorrow night, back to Dallas. So it's cool. I'm just listening to audiobooks, man, and just gaining some more knowledge. You know, the book, if you care to, you guys want to know what I'm listening to as far as audiobooks, I'm listening to an audiobook that Robert Kiyosaki did. I think it's called Rich Kid, Poor Kid, How to Teach Your Kid About Financial Independence and Financial Education. You know. So anyway, that's what I'm listening to. Talk to you soon, guys. Have a great week. Cheers.